and the Perfect Picnic. A short moral story. Penny the rabbit loved sunny days. One morning, she decided to host the perfect picnic. She packed a basket with crunchy carrots, sweet berries, and fresh clover sandwiches. She carefully laid out a checkered blanket near the meadow and set everything just right. As she admired her setup, her friends began to arrive: Freddie the frog, Daisy the duck, and Milo the mouse. But just as they sat down, a gust of wind blew the blanket over, scattering fruit everywhere. Freddie accidentally stepped on the carrot pie, Daisy splashed water from the pond onto the sandwiches, and Milo knocked over the juice. Penny gasped. "My perfect picnic is ruined." But her friends smiled. "Let's clean up together and still have fun." They shared what was left, played tag in the meadow, and laughed until the sun went down. As they watched fireflies dance, Penny realized something important. "It wasn't the food or the setup," she said, smiling. "It's the friends that make a picnic perfect." Moral: perfection isn't about everything going right, it's about enjoying the moment and the people you share it with. Thank you for watching.